Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to make a file as read-only and hidden in a folder using file system task in SSIS. Afterwards, how to get the hidden files from a folder. So first I want to show the document, the file that I want to make it as a read-only or hidden. This is the SCD, which is text document. It contains six records: ID, EMP name, and location and email. There are six records are there. Now I want to, if you see the properties of this file, it contains the attributes are showing two attributes are showing read only and hidden are unchecked. So after running the package, these two attributes make it as a checked. It is there currently. The document is there in the files test temp folder in D drive. After running this package, this SCD file is automatically disappeared because we are making this attribute as hidden. Now I'm going into the package. I'm dragging the file system task, double click. This is the operation, default operation copy file, which contains a destination connection, general operation, and source connection. So if you change the operation copy file to set attributes, the layout is completely changed. A hidden, read only, archive, all these things will come. Now I am making this as a file false, and I want to take a new connection. So my file is existing file. So I am browsing the file from files and test temp data and SCD. SCD is my text document. Now select the file, open, click OK. So it will get. Now you want to change the attributes from false to true. Hidden attribute is false to true, and read only attribute from false to true, and make it as OK. So everything is perfect. Now if you go and check the temp data folder, the SCD is still remaining in this folder. After running this package, this file is automatically disappeared. I will show how to retrieve the disappeared file as well. I'm running the package now. So package went successfully. Go and check the folder. There is no SCD here. There is no SCD here. How to retrieve the hidden files? You go to view and select the hidden items. So automatically the SCD will come. You go and check the properties of the file. Read only will be checked. So if we go and check, if we once again we may make this hidden, automatically it appeared. So earlier we don't find any read only unchecked. Now it is checked after running the package. So this is how you know to make a file as read only. Generally, organization maintain some documents at read only and give access to this some particular stakeholders, not to make any changes. Just for view purpose, they will give read only to option to the stakeholder. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.